Hello first standard students and their parents, welcome to Savita Bhavde Academy. This is one and only online learning platform where we provide your Maharashtra State Bureau School textbook videos. Standard 1. My dear friend, this is our English lecture. Take out English Balabharti. Standard 1 as fast as you can. Please. My dear friend, open page number 2828. Today we learn new chapter from unit 3, fourth one chapter. Let's know more about animals. All of you remember we learned jungle safari? Yes. And today we learn different type animals, where they live, their shelters, their houses, where they live we called shelters. Yes, and where we live, house, yes, hut, building, society, that type animals, birds also living, and where they lived, that place called shelters. Yes, shelters. And they make a different type sounds. We already learn sounds also in jungle safari. One poem we learn. Yes, there. Yes, all of you remember which poem we learn and listening sound. Cat, meow meow. Yes, bow wow. Very good. Bow wow. Dog saying bow wow. Cat making sound meow meow. Yes. Then let's come to the point. Today we learn fourth number chapter. Let's know more about animals. We learn more about animals today. See, here are one chart. Textbook given one chart here. Yes, first one column, animals column. Second one, their houses, shelters. And third one column, sounds which all animals make. Yes, then let's start. Please listen carefully. Hen, hen. Shelter's name, coop. And hen making sound, cluck. Horse. Horse fair-lived in a stable. This one stable. And making sound, knee. Dog, DOG dog. Fair dog lived, kennel. KENNEL, kennel. And dog sound, bark. Yes, all of you listening carefully. Lion. Lion where lived? Yes, den. Den. And how lion making sound? Roar. ROAR, roar. Elephant. Where elephant live? In jungle. And how sound? Elephant making trumpet. Yes, trumpet. Then bee. This one bee. And where bee lived? Beehive. And bee making sound, buzz. Buzz. And mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Where lived mouse? Hole, HOLE, hole. And making sound, squawk. Duck, DUCK, duck. Where duck live? In water. And duck making sound, quack, quack, quack. We already learned in Bow Wow poem. Duck sound, quack, quack, quack. All of you listen and understood. I hope you understood that all animals, houses, sound, shelters, yes, and sounds. Then see, second one point, let's talk. Sunny. Sunny and Rani. There were two children, Sunny and Rani. Sunny boy, Rani girl. And they talk each other. Yes, Then come, listen what they're talking. Sunny saying, hello Rani. Rani saying, hi Sunny. Sunny saying, can you make the sound of a dog? Rani saying, yes, I can. Can you make the sound of an elephant? Sunny saying, no, I can't. Yes, I hope you enjoy today's lecture. Keep watching for next fifth one chapter, surprise birthday party. Savita Pavade Academy, till it bye bye. Take care yourself and your parents.